Yesterday, Bloom experienced a massive DDoS attack, and this attack have raised a lot of concern in the community. If you look at this very post, important update on Bloom Memepad, their Bloom community, we are currently experiencing a DDoS attack that has temporarily affected the availability of Bloom Memepad. Our engineers are actively working to restore full service as quickly as possible. This attack have a lot of impact on the Bloom token. However, if you look at the Bloom token on pre-market, look at it right here. Market broke out of this level of important resistance right at this area, and right now, like I said earlier, market is going to move upward. So what is this DDoS attack? How does it affect us as Bloom airdroppers and as people that's going to get a token in the future? All of this in this video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content, and also join our Telegram channel with a link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Yesterday there was a massive attack on the BLUM Memepad. Why this attack? Because what the BLUM team have to do is to come up to say your phones are 100% safe and our security system remains intact. So what is DDoS attack? I will talk about that later in this video, but the most important thing right now is that these have been restored. If you notice, during this attack you cannot access the BLUM Memepad. So if you have token there, you should be concerned about not accessing your token, or if you want to trade, or if at that time that is when you wanted to create your meme token, you cannot do anything because the service was down. And the most important thing right now is everything is back online. Look at it right here. We are happy to report that the DDoS attack has been fully mitigated and all systems are back on track. Our engineers worked tirelessly to restore stability and ensure everything is running smoothly. This is very important. Let's say, for example, in the case of people that don't have enough engineers on ground to attend to such a cyber attack, what do you think is going to happen? Because this can contribute to a lot of factors that will lead to the downfall of a particular platform. So right now, if you come to the BLUM Memepad, it discover that everything is running smoothly. You can trade, you can create your meme token if you want to, and you can also check your balance. Before now, during this DDoS attack, you cannot check your balance. Although BLUM team have told us that your phone or our phones are safe because I have some token right here that I bought. And also, if you look at it, this attack is to bring the BLUM token down, to bring the Memepad down. And that is the main reason why DDoS attack happened. And the first reason is to disrupt the flow of service. So once flow of service is disrupted, it will lead to, number one, panic among platform participants, just like the BLUM Memepad. If you cannot access the BLUM Memepad, let's say for 1 day or 2, or let's say 12 hours, it will bring this doubt in your mind whether this platform is sustainable or not. And if you begin to think about this sustainability, it means that you begin to look elsewhere where you can begin to trade your meme token. So it brings about a full panic among participants on a particular platform. And also it brings about loss of money, because if you look at it, the number of time that this very platform, that the Memepad is offline, it means that they will not make any money from the Memepad because the platform is down, nobody is trading, and nobody is creating any meme token at all. And this is very, very important. Another reason is to create stress on the IT team. And if you don't have enough engineers on ground to tackle the very situation, that is the DDoS attack, it means this can be prolonged for a very long time, which also brings distrust. It creates unnecessary stress on the engineers that is on ground, because DDoS attack is a very powerful attack when it comes to a situation like this. We've seen major platforms in the crypto space experience similar things like this, and most of them have been drawn back, okay, especially in cases that they don't have enough IT engineers to actually tackle this very challenge. So what is the result of this very DDoS attack, especially in this very case of Bloom? If you look at the Bloom token right here on gate.io, it is discovered that this DDoS attack was actually to bring the token down, to bring the memepad all the way to the downside. And if the memepad is brought down, it means that the token is also going to go all the way to the downside, because the main utility for the Bloom token right now is the BLUM Memepad. But look at what happened. Market is moving upward. Some person can also say, no, this market moving upward is as a result of the fact that Bitcoin moved after it crashed all the way to the downside. And as a result of the CPI data yesterday, that is why this market is moving upward as a recovery, in as much as other coins are also recovering as well. Bitcoin is recovering, Ethereum is recovering. But a very important case here is the DDoS attack that just happened was to bring the Memepad platform down. And I believe if they have succeeded in bringing Memepad down, that means the Bloom token could have come all the way to the downside. It does not matter if Bitcoin just pushed back up again to $100,000. And this is very, very important. So in my opinion, right now, the Bloom token on pre-market is going to move upward. I told you in my immediate last Bloom video that I see this token moving upward. If we see the market move upward and break out of this very moving average, this last moving average right here, which this candle do, then market is going to move upward. And that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Market moved down a little bit and it's about to move all the way to the upside. Right now, the pre-market is sitting at 0.0223. And in the next coming days and weeks, I want to see this token begin to move all the way to the upside. This is what I am personally looking at right now. And if you trade pre-market, this is what you should be concerned about. Market is going to move upward despite the DDoS attack. Everything have been restored, and see this market moving upward. If you come back to the 1-day chart, look at the 1-day chart right here. Market is going to move upward. Look at this very massive bullish candle right here. And then this one is actually going to move upward. So what you should be paying attention to right now is if we see a candle that close above the previous close. And the previous close right here is at this very point. So once you see a candle that move up, a bullish candle in this case, that move up and close above the close of this bullish candle, just know that there is enough momentum from the bulls to push the market all the way to the upside. And what that means is the price of Bloom on pre-market is going to rise up to 0.03 to 0.05. The possibility is there, and as we all know, we are already in the bull market, so market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside, especially from what we are seeing right now. And another thing you need to watch right here is a reduced volume. So market begin to reduce volume from this very point all the way to the downside. And then if you look at the chart right at this very point, see market drop, then after this drop, market is moving upward again. And on the indicator, we are not seeing any significant volume after this drop, which means low volume. The next thing that's going to happen is high volume on the chart. So after every low volume, then high volume come in for market to shoot all the way to the upside. That is what you need to pay attention to right now. If you trade on pre-market, market should begin to move upward, and this moving average should be maintained. The most important thing right here is the BLUM Memepad is back online, and our funds are safe. Everything is running smoothly right now. Take your mining seriously. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Check our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment, and join it right away. If you want to learn crypto from beginning to advanced step-by-step guide, check this video right here. And if you want to know when the altcoin season is going to start, check this video right here. It's going to help you a lot. Thanks for supporting this channel.